Uh, this is the Union Square station. See the view.
He said, he will, take us maybe about 30 minutes.
Okay.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
So we can walk around. He will call us.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So where you want to go?
This way maybe. I know this place already.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been here.
Have you taken cable car before?
Oh, not the cable car. Yeah, not the cable car. Actually, we had a car that time.
Okay.
So I know the Chinatown is on this way.
Okay.
Yeah, and the Fisher Off is also on that side.
Okay. Fisherman Wall.
Yeah.
So what about this way?
I really don't know. Just you know, maybe we can take turn from there to that way.
Okay.
Yeah, but this side is the kind of the downtown area. I mean Chinatown.
Okay.
This side, and yeah, this is very nice. You know, the old ancient style. You know, the old buggies.
This is the last one.
Telling him like we should, break it up in one day.
या मेरे जो दोस्त हैं वो खड़े हो गए जनाब, वो भी शौकीन है ज़रा मेरी तरह फ़ोटो शोटो बनाने के। वीडियो क्वालिटी काफ़ी लो है, प्लस सही तरीके से डिलीवर नहीं हो रहा, तो मैं सीख रहा हूँ, ट्राई करूँ कि इम्प्रूव नेक्स्ट वीडियोस के अंदर हो। बहरहाल ये देखें जनाब, रौनकें बहारें कैसा, ये इनकी ट्राम सैन फ्रांसिस्को म्यूनिसिपल रेलवे, ये काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रीट कार है स्टाइल। So probably we'll take this way. This side.
Where?
Yeah.
Chinatown, you mean?
Yeah. This side is like we are going towards the
Yeah.
Chinatown and. There is an Indian restaurant.
Yeah.
I've been here. The food was not good.
Not good.
Yeah, it's New Delhi. There was another restaurant on the opposite side.
Okay.
That was also, I guess, owned by Pakistani.
The last time I stayed in this hotel,
Uh-huh.
the Airbnb.
The Paro 55.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go left. I went over there.
Oh, okay. I guess so. If it is hard to carry, we can sit somewhere.
No,
it's
that's
okay.
fine.
Yeah.
It's,
Weather is really good, you know.
what is really good?
Weather,
Weather,
yeah.
No rain.
It's nice.